Hey everybody, Ryan here. Today we take things to the pool. We go to the pool to swim. I like the pool. Do you like the pool? First thing I take a towel. A towel. This is a towel. I use a towel to dry myself after the pull. That's why I bring a towel. This towel is big, it is soft, and I like this towel. The next thing I take is shorts. Shorts. I wear these shorts in the pool. These are swim shorts. Swim shorts. I take these to the pool. The next thing I take to the pool is a hat. This is a hat. Hat. At the pool, the sun is bright. There is a lot of sun. So I wear a hat. This is a hat. I take the hat to the pool. The next thing I take to the pool is sunscreen. Sunscreen. I use sunscreen for my skin. I use sunscreen for my skin because at the pool there is a lot of sun. So I use sunscreen. So I take sunscreen to the pool. Next thing is I take water. Water to the pool. This is a water bottle. I drink water at the pool. So I take water to the pool. Finally, I take chips to the pool. Chips. I eat chips at the pool. I like chips. Well, those are the things I take to the pool. What do you take to the pool? Do you like the pool? That's all for today. Thank you.